Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of production engineering or manufacturing science. The topic is metal cutting. Question number 81 is, as tool and work are not in contact in EDM process. Option is no relative motion occurs between them. B. No wear of tool occurs. Option C. No power is consumed during metal cutting. Option D. No force between tool and work occurs. So, in EDM process, there is relative motion between tool and workpiece. Okay, and uh, there is a wear of tool also, and there is power consumed also. But no force occurs between tool and work. Answer is B. How? So, in EDM process, the wear of the tool material, wear of the work material occurs where the gap is minimum, where gap between tool and work is minimum, and so as to cause continuous metal removal process. So whenever the metal removal occurs, there is gap at some different place. The gap between the tool and workpiece is minimum at some different place, and then at that place the metal removal occurs. So there should be uh, metal, there should be a relative motion between tool and workpiece, so as to cause metal removal. Okay. So, so this first statement is wrong. And wear of the tool occurs whenever the thermal conductivity is too low, which causes the temperature rise of the tool and hence cause the wear of the tool. So whenever the thermal conductivity is low, so that's why the high metal thermal conductivity tool are used in EDM, so as to transfer heat to workpiece, and it should not carry all the heat, and it should transfer to the heat to the workpiece. But uh, higher, even highest thermal conductivity metal suffer to distortion or temperature rise. So wear of the tool occurs when the thermal conductivity is low. So that is also incorrect. Okay, so power is consumed because the current is flowing, and but no force is occurring between the tool and work, because the metal removal takes place due to the current flow. So answer is option B. Next, the mechanism of metal removal in EDM process is: option A, melting and evaporation; option B, melting and corrosion; option C, erosion and cavitation; and option D, cavitation and evaporation. So answer is C. The mechanism of metal removal in EDM is melting and evaporation with added cavitation and with added cavitation. So when we add cavitation, so it will become erosion and cavitation. So answer is C. Next, question number 83. In electro discharge machining EDM, if the thermal conductivity of the tool is high and specific heat of the workpiece is low, then the tool wear rate and material removal rate are to be expected respectively: high and high, option B low and low, option C high and low, and option D low and high. So in EDM, the thermal conductivity of the tool is high and specific heat of the workpiece is low. So the tool material should be of high thermal conductivity uh, because to transfer heat from tool to workpiece. So when if it is low, then the heat will be uh, heat will be heat will stay within the tool. So it should not happen and will cause temperature rise of the tool and cause wear of the tool. So whenever heat is transferred from the tool to workpiece, so the, uh, the wear of the tool will not occur because of no temperature rise. So thermal conductivity of the tool should be high, and thermal conductivity of workpiece should be low, because it should sustain all the heat within within it, and heat capacity should be high for the workpiece, so that it can cause melting and so so thermal conductivity tool is high, and it, so then metal removal rate of the tool will be low, and if the specific heat of the workpiece is low, then there will be temperature rise in the workpiece and will cause high removal rate of the material, because when specific heat is low, so for the same heat there will be large temperature rise and there will be melting of the workpiece will take place. So answer is option B. Let us see the explanation also. In idiom, tool of high thermal conductivity is used which helps in transferring heat to work for small temperature rise of uh, which help in transferring heat to work for small rise of temperature of tool, and hence less melting and evaporation of tool or less wear of tool. And workpiece used will be of low specific heat, because which results in more temperature rise of work for the same heat, so causing the melting and evaporation of workpiece. So answer is option D.